Hello everyone and welcome you all to my channel Simran Speaks. Today in my video I am going to talk about 4 important questions that are asked in every interview that you appear. These questions are, very first question that we all have to answer is, tell me something about yourself. Second, tell us something about your strengths and weaknesses. Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? And tell us, what do you know about us or about our company? So please watch my video till the end because I'm going to give you tips and tricks how to answer all these important questions effectively so that you land up with more job offers. अब जब भी हम किसी इंटरव्यू में जाते हैं तो बिफोर वी अपीयर फॉर एन इंटरव्यू हमसे पहले जाता है हमारा सीवी और अपने सीवी को हमें कैसे इफेक्टिव बनाना है दैट आई हैव ऑलरेडी डिस्कस्ड इन माय अर्लियर वीडियो हाउ टू मेक एन इफेक्टिव सीवी. The link of the video is given in the description because from there the journey actually begins. क्योंकि अगर आपका CV इफेक्टिव है तभी आप इंटरव्यू में जाएंगे और तभी आप इस स्टेज तक पहुंचेंगे. तो सबसे पहले आप CV मेकिंग देखिए और मेरी एक और वीडियो में मैंने आपको टिप्स दिए हैं कि अगर आप इंटरव्यू में जा रहे हैं तो क्या क्या प्रिपरेशंस करके जाना है. तो आज हम बात करेंगे क्वेश्चंस की जो कि इंटरव्यू के टाइम हमें पूछे जाते हैं और उसको हमने कैसे इफेक्टिवली आंसर करना है. So the very first question that the interviewer would ask us, tell me something about yourself. Or the question can also be asked as, please run me through your CV. Now here, understand the psychology of the interviewer. The motive behind asking this question, tell me about yourself, is they want to understand about 3 important things. अब वो 3 चीजें क्या है? पहली चीज they want to understand about your profile in a very short, crispy format. Second thing, they want to understand about your achievements, about your important highlights or about your accomplishments. And the third important thing that they want to understand is, does your profile fit in the job requirement that they are interviewing for? So how you will begin this? मेक श्योर कि आप वहां पे अपनी पूरी लाइफ स्टोरी नहीं बताने बैठ जाएंगे बिकॉज दिस क्वेश्चन इज द मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन. अगर आपने इस क्वेश्चन को इफेक्टिवली आंसर कर दिया अदर क्वेश्चंस आप इजीली हैंडल कर लेंगे. बट अगर इस क्वेश्चन में ही आप डगमगा गए, ट्रस्ट मी द इंटरव्यूअर विल लूज इंटरेस्ट इन योर प्रोफाइल एंड ही विल स्टार्ट लुकिंग एट अदर सीरीज. अब आपने अपना इंट्रोडक्शन कैसे देना है? यू विल टेल अबाउट योर एजुकेशन और एक्सपीरियंस. You will use adjectives and you will also give a punchline to your introduction. For example, if I talk about myself, I'll give, I'm an experienced education counselor working in the overseas field since last 7 years, guiding students in shortlisting their universities and programs for various overseas countries. So, इसमें make sure that you are giving your profile that you are handling, the number of experience and your day-to-day job profile that you had. Now this introduction is very crispy, official and to the point. So it has to be short and crisp. Now if you are a student, then how you will give your answer? You will say, hi, this is Anjali. I'm a hard-working engineering graduate doing specialization in aeronautical engineering from so-and-so university and with a CGPA of or percentage of so and so. So this is how you are going to tell about your education, about your university and about your percentage. Second thing which the interviewer wants to know about you is your achievements or your accomplishments. So here you can say, I've managed the business of my company since last 7 years and also contributed to the revenue earning of the company by 7%. So quantify your achievement. What have you done? And these are your specific highlights. Along with that, if you have done any training or any specialization, for example, I did a course on Java or .NET or Excel or any other course that you have done along with your job, you can highlight that point. Next thing, how your skills are aligned to the job requirement. Now here the interview wants to know your fitment in the job profile. So it is very important that before appearing for the job interview, you read all the skills required for that particular job profile in the job description. And while answering your question, do not forget to mention all those skills. It is very important. अगर आप वो वाले skills mention नहीं करेंगे while answering your question, the interviewer would feel that you have just walked in and your skills are not matching with the requirement. So do tell them that you have all the required skills and you are the best person who fits in the job requirement. So do your research work before appearing for this particular job. Also, do remember that you have only 1 minute or even less than that to answer this question, how you describe yourself. So please prepare your points very well. Never go unprepared. Though you are the best person who can talk about yourself, but still go prepared in this question, because this is the most important question of an interview. If you miss this question, trust me, you fail in that interview. But if you answer this question very nicely, trust me, your first round is done. The second question that we all have to answer is, tell me something about your strengths and weaknesses. Now here, the psychology of the interviewer is, he would like to know about your special skills or your special areas or your strengths. So you have to tell them. Don't tell them, I'm a very hardworking person, I'm very honest, I'm very passionate. ठीक है, you are, no problem, you are. But do not tell these as your strength areas. Your strength areas should be, I'm very detail oriented, I believe in planning and execution. Also, they would also like to know about your weaknesses. Now this is a very tricky question. While answering this question, do not answer it, do not mess with this answer. Do not say, I'm very emotional, I'm very sensitive, I can cry very easily, I can led away by the situation, I'm very aggressive, मुझे बहुत जल्दी गुस्सा आता है, मन करता है उठा के पटक दूँ. Please, all these questions will make a very negative impact. Though the interviewer wants to know about your negative areas, but make sure this is a very smart and very tricky question. While knowing about your negatives, they are still trying to understand about your skills, about your strengths. तो यहाँ पे आप कैसे आंसर कर सकते हैं? जैसे आपने कहा कि you are very detail oriented और you believe in planning and execution, तो आप अपनी weakness बता सकते हैं. As I am very detail oriented, sometimes I miss my deadline because I go to the in-depth of each and everything. And while doing the detailed study of the project or detailed study of the things, I might miss the deadlines. So I think I need to work on this part. अब यहाँ पे आप अपना वीकनेस बता रहे हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना कहीं वो आपकी स्ट्रेंथ को हाईलाइट कर रहा है कि आप चीज़ों को बहुत ही ध्यान से करते हैं, बहुत ही डिटेल से, बारीकी से जांच परख के आप उसको एग्जीक्यूट करते हैं. सो दिस इज इनडायरेक्टली योर स्ट्रेंथ. And this question has to be answered very trickily. Do not give any negative areas of your personality. Next question. Where do you see yourself 5 years down the line? Now this question is very important. So here what the interviewer wants to analyze is your commitment regarding this company and regarding this job role. Very first thing, they would like to understand whether you have come prepared for this job and you are really serious for this job, or you have randomly come for this job interview. So यहाँ पे they want to understand and they also want to understand your long term goals. तो अगर आपका आंसर ये होता है 5 years down the line I want to start up my own company, or 5 years down the line I would like to work with my father, I want to enhance my family business. So this shows कि आप अभी टाइम पास के लिए या अपनी पॉकेट मनी के लिए या अभी फिलहाल एक्सपीरियंस लेने के लिए जॉब कर रहे हैं, और फाइनली आपका फोकस क्या है? आपका फोकस है अपना फैमिली बिजनेस. इसको आप कैसे आंसर कर सकते हैं? I want to learn and grow in your company, and 5 years down the line I see myself at a managerial position. This shows that you are really committed and you are here for the company for a very long time. and secondly you also wants to grow along with the company. तो एक कॉन्फिडेंस देता है ये क्वेश्चन जो है. दिस क्वेश्चन विल गिव अ कॉन्फिडेंस टू द एम्प्लॉयर. अब HR person is not only hiring, he is also taking care that the attrition rate of the company should not be high. Especially with the youngsters, they have a habit of changing their jobs very frequently. So your attitude and your answer should not convey that point that you might leave them very soon or you have a plans to change job very frequently. So this question will give a confidence that you have a plans to stick to the company for a long period of time. So this should be answered in this particular manner. Last question. So what do you know about our company? This is even more important. The person who's taking an interview definitely knows about the company better than you. But his aim of asking this question is whether you have done your research about the company before coming for the interview or you have randomly come for the interview. See, all these questions, by asking all these questions, he wants to understand that whether you really want to go for this particular job profile or you are just coming here just for a time pass. हो गया नहीं हुआ तो दूसरा जॉब ऑफर देख लेंगे. तो ये एटीट्यूड हमको नहीं रखना है. तो इसके लिए आपको क्या करना है? Very first thing, you have to do all the research about that company. When did that company start? All the products of the company, the revenue of the company, the vision of the company, the goal of the company, board of directors क्या है, कितनी branches हैं, कितना turnover है. तो ये काफी सारे जो facts and figures हैं, आपको इनके बारे में पता होना चाहिए. So go prepared with all these facts and figures so that the employer should have that confidence that yes, you have done your homework very well. हो सके तो लेटेस्ट जितनी भी न्यूज हैं उन सबको जरूर पढ़ के जाइए. ये सारी इंफॉर्मेशन आपको कंपनी की वेबसाइट में मिल जाएगी या जो जॉब डिस्क्रिप्शन आपके पास है उसको भी अगर आप पढ़ेंगे तो आपको ये सारी चीजें जो है आप उससे अंडरस्टैंड कर सकते हैं. So these were the 4 important questions that are basically asked in every interview round. इसके साथ साथ I would also like to give you some tips. While answering your questions, be confident. Maintain an eye contact with the interviewer. Don't look here and there. Maintain a proper eye contact. Secondly, your body posture. Avoid postures like this because this gives a closed posture and it gives the impact that you are feeling nervous. Do not carry a hanky in your hand. Your hanky should be there in your purse or in your bag. Have a very free attitude. It should not be casual. Don't keep on shaking your legs or your hands. Be formal, be professional and give the impact to the other person that you are confident and well prepared. So do follow all these tips and tricks which we have mentioned today, and I'm sure if you follow all these points you are able to crack your interview very well. So that's all for today. We'll come back again with new topic and new video. If you like our video, please press like button and subscribe our channel. So thank you. Bye bye.